guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So I'm doing this Diwali series for you guys for 7 straight days, guys. Yes, back to back makeup for 7 continuous days I'm going to be doing, and I also plan to keep the looks very simple so that you guys can recreate and you can wear it on Diwali, or yeah, you can even wear this makeup for every day, like for your office, for your college, for Zoom meetings and anything possible. Instead of peach, you can go for nude colors, and that looks very natural as well for your office wear. And yeah, I love how this look turned out because it looks stunning. My skin looks very dewy, glowy, because I love dewy looks. I don't like flat matte finish, as I always say. And yeah, I've not used any foundation today, guys. I've just used a little bit of concealer under the eyes and the spots that I have, and blended with the beauty blender. That's it. And yeah, if this is of interest for you guys, then please keep watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, support me and help me grow. Let's get into the video. So guys, actually my skin is very dry right now. I've just washed my face. I don't have anything on, not even lip balm. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to be using a moisturizer. For that I'm going to be taking the Nivea Soft Moisturizer. You guys can use anything that you have. You don't have to use the same products that I have. So you can use whatever you have. So I'm going to be taking a generous amount of this the moisturizer, and I'm going to be applying it all over my face. And nicely massage it all over my face. Makeup stays better and flawless when your skin is nicely prepped. Also, don't forget to put your moisturizer under your eyes as well. And guys, also a little tip, since this is a cold cream, since this is a Nivea cream, I'm using it under the eyes. But if you are using a serum like vitamin C serum or something like that, please don't put it under your eyes, because it's very potent. We don't want to harm your skin under the eyes. So yeah, go for a very mild moisturizer. Guys, I'm just going to make this moisturizer sit for 2 minutes, and then I'll start doing my base. My base is nothing but not foundation. Today I'm just going to be using concealer under the eyes, on the lid, and wherever I have spots, acne, scars going on. If you have flawless skin, then you don't even need a concealer actually. You just can dab a little bit of powder and you're good to go. And now guys, my skin is well prepped now. It feels very soft, and so now I'm going to be using a concealer from Maybelline. This is the Fit Me concealer, and I'm in the shade 25 medium. Why I'm using this concealer is because you don't have to, if you're using only this concealer for your base, please don't go for lighter concealer, guys. Go for the exact match of your skin. Go for concealer that is the exact match for your skin, because you don't want to look ashy or grayish. So I've chosen, it's just the exact match of my skin, so always do that. So your concealer will look really flawless and good. I'm just going to be putting it under the eyes, on the bridge of the nose, on the forehead, on my cupid's bow, on my chin, and wherever I have spots, I'm just going to be concealing those places. That's it. And what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to let it sit for maybe 10-15 seconds, so that it becomes a little more tackier, and then when I blend it, there'll be better coverage. So I'm going to do that. For today's look, I want my skin, my natural skin, to peep through. I want my skin to breathe, so I'm not going to be stuffing my face with foundation, too much of products today. So this is such a simple look that you can achieve within 5 minutes, guys. Since I am talking so much, it feels like it's taking forever, but actually no, you can finish this makeup in like less than 5 minutes. I'm just blending it all over. So guys, this is how my face looks after blending. So what I'm going to do is, I need a little bit more coverage under the eyes. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take concealer again and just put a dot like this, dot like so. And I'm not going to be using a beauty blender, because that takes away the coverage. So I'm going to be using a concealer brush and just concentrating only here and just blending it away, so that it instantly brightens. And this brush doesn't take away the coverage of the concealer, guys. So you get maximum coverage by doing like this. So yeah, I'm just going to be concentrating in the inner portion of my under the eyes, just concentrating here. I'm also going to do it in the other eyes as well. I'm just going to be bringing you a little forward so that you can see better. And for eyebrows, I'm going to be using the K Beauty eyebrow pencil. So this is in the shade, I think it's Hazel, I'm not very sure. I'll put all the information in the description box below for you guys. So this is how the pencil looks. So I'm going to be using this. First, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be combing my eyebrow with this spoolie. I love this product, guys, but one problem, this doesn't come with this spoolie, so I'm just using my this one is from Morphe, so I'm just using that. I'm just going to comb my eyebrow with the spoolie, and then I'll just fill in the gaps that I have. As usual, I'm not going to be doing anything over the top, just very subtle. Again, after filling in the gap, I'm just going to be combing it again. So that combing helps in distributing the product evenly. So I really like that step. Don't skip that step. Guys, I'm not going to be using too much of product in the inner portion of the brows because that looks very artificial, and we don't want that. We want to look as natural as possible. So don't do that if you don't like very artificial look. So guys, the next product that I'm going to be using is a tint from Benefit. So this again is a very beautiful peachish orange kind of color because I'm wearing a nice peach suit. So I'm going to be using this tint from Benefit. It's called Cha Cha Tint. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to smile, place the product, and then with a beauty blender just blending it away. Just smile and blend it immediately because this tends to set faster, so you have to work pretty fast as well because you don't want to look like a clown. So I'm just going to be blending it with my finger. So this is a beautiful peachy orangish kind of look to your skin. Don't worry if you go extra with this product because it tends to, your blush tends to get your blush fades after some time, so it's okay to go overboard with the blush. You'll be better after some time. Beautiful, right? So guys, this is how my blush looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same blush and I'm going to be putting it on my lips as well. This has a gorgeous orangish peachy sort of color. It's absolutely gorgeous. In person, when you look at this doesn't even look like you have worn something. It looks very natural, and yeah, it kind of stays for a long time as well. So it's beautiful product, you guys. There are quite a few shades, like there are pink, there's a like nice beetroot sort of color. Yeah, you can pick up whatever color you like. So this is how my lips and my cheeks look. So whatever is left out, what I'm going to be doing is I'm also going to be tapping it on my nose because I always like to put blush on my nose as well. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be connecting this cheek to this cheek through nose. So that is how I like, and it looks absolutely beautiful in person, guys. Try this trick. It's beautiful. So I'm going to be taking the same product in a blending brush, in the flat shader brush like this, and I'm going to be putting it in the eyes as well, eyelid as well, so that everything looks peach orangish color. So I'm going to do that. It looks gorgeous. Once it's set, everything will combine together. So don't worry how it looks right now. It looks gorgeous, you guys. So the same concealer, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take the same brush and I'll apply it in the lower portion of my eyes as well, and just blend it with the finger. like so. So there's a nice peachish tinge going here down the here as well. Just dab it with your eyes. If any extra, your fingers will just absorb it, since this is a creamy product. So this is how the eyes look. I'm going to curl my eyelashes because that really curls up and lifts the eyelashes. So I'm going to do that. First, grab your eyelashes, press it and then pump it. Don't press it too hard, just pump it. Do you see the difference between both the eyes? Like you can see. So it instantly curls up and lifts your lashes. And for mascara, I'm going to be using my most favorite, my trusty L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. So always when you remove the mascara, remove the excess because that will clump your lashes. Always do like this so that the extra gets removed, and then wiggle from the bottom of your eyelashes. So you can see the difference for yourself. This eye looks very lifted, fluttery, beautiful than this eyes. And guys, if you want, you can go ahead and apply a black kajal or a brown kajal. But for today's look, I want my eyes to look bigger, bright, and I want my waterline to look nude. So I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild nude pencil. I'm not a very big fan of this pencil, but still I don't have anything else. But if you do have any suggestion for a nude kajal pencil, please put it in the comment section below. I would love to see your recommendation. So this is the product. I'm going to be using it on my waterline. So guys, we are almost done. So what I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to be using a lip liner, since I do have very small lips. I'm going ahead and using my favorite K Beauty lip liner in the shade Hype. So I'm just going to be overlining. If you have bigger lips, then you don't have to actually overline it because this looks beautiful by itself. So I'm just going to be overlining my lips. Nothing crazy guys, very subtle. I'm done doing that because I don't want to overpower all these shades, because I want the peach shades to be the center of today's theme. So that's it. I'm done with the lip lining as well. So this is how it looks. It looks beautiful. So the last tip what I'm going to be doing is, guys, I'm going to be using a contour palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So this is the palette that I'm going to be using for today's look. If this step is totally optional, but I just wanted to do because I look very chubby. I'm very chubby, so I'm going to do this to cut my chubby cheeks. So this has got highlighter, banana shade, and setting powder shade, and it has got 3 different tones of contours. So first what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking the banana shade and I'll put it just under the eyes to set the concealer, because you don't want your concealer to set and you don't want it to look like it's creased. So I'm just doing that. I'm just going to set my under eye, taking this cool toned contour shade, and I'll put just little bit in the crease so that it looks like a proper eyeshadow. This step is totally optional guys. If you don't want to do, you don't have to do. This is totally optional. This doesn't make a lot of difference, but still just gives a little bit more definition to the eyes. So guys, actually our look is done. So I'm going to be applying a bindi. And this guys is the finished look. Guys, I hope you all like the video. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. I love reading your comments, so please post your valuable comments. And yeah, the first day of Diwali series is over, and hopefully I'll catch you all guys tomorrow in the second video of the Diwali series. Bye guys.